The main reason I got involved with the space selection was to inspire my students. It is a selection process that involved 23,000 applicants, out of which now I am in the top 1,350. The European Space Agency made a call for recruiting 5 to 7 new astronauts. So I applied, and so far I managed to pass the first stage. It is definitely something that I hope will engage my students. A particular inspiration for me was Neil Armstrong, and not only because he was the first man on the moon, but because he was always that kind of person who was trying to get better. I failed to qualify when I first applied in 2008, but when I get some bad feedback, I improve myself so that I can be in a better position next time. If I can have some of my students inspired to get involved and becoming an astronaut, this will be by far the best reward for me. The end of that process will be the actual selection of this team of astronauts, and definitely those will be prepared and trained for 2 years to be assigned into future space missions that include also missions to the moon and beyond.